Today we are going to cover the shrimp taco. Shrimp tacos are thought to originate from Baja, California, and some historians believe they may date back thousands and thousands of years, as soon as indigenous people of coastal regions developed the ability to capture shrimp, and shrimp has been used in tacos. Many coastal regions in Mexico and Central America have been using shrimp as a taco filling based on its availability. The tacos that we know are from Ensenada, Baja, California. Although this taco's popularity may come from Sinaloa, as in the early 1990s, their governor, Francisco Ochoa, told all of his friends and supporters about his wife's shrimp tacos. So with their zesty and fresh flavors, who can't love a good shrimp taco? And whether you prefer Puerto Vallarta, Acapulco, Ensenada, or Cancun, these tacos are about to take you there. First, let's start with ingredients. For this recipe, what you'll want is 1 pound of extra large shrimp. You can typically find these at any supermarket frozen. Just make sure that they are raw, peeled, and deveined. Once you get them home, what we want to do is thaw them out and then give them a good rinse in cold water to remove any leftover bits of shell or tail that is still on the shrimp. Typically, when you get them that way, they'll still have the tail on. And so in order to remove the tail, you'll want to pinch where all 3 parts of the tail come together just above the meat. Pinch there and then simply slide the tail off. And this will prepare your shrimp for cooking tacos. For marinade, we'll need the juice of 3 limes, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 or 3 green onions chopped, a good handful of cilantro roughly chopped, and then 2 tablespoons of Tucker's Classic Barbecue Rub. Strangely enough, our Classic Barbecue Rub is very similar to a taco seasoning and will work perfect for this application. Then what we'll want to do is combine all those ingredients with the shrimp into a gallon freezer bag. And we'll make sure to coat the shrimp thoroughly and then marinate that in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour. Shrimp marinades, you're going to want to small dice an onion and then finely chop some cilantro for garnishes. We're also going to want to make a lime zest crema. For that, we're going to use about a cup of sour cream, zest of about half of a lime, pinch of salt, grind of black pepper. We're going to combine all those ingredients together. Add about a tablespoon of water at a time while whisking in order to get it to a drizzling consistency. Now that our shrimp is marinated for at least 30 minutes, what we're going to do is heat up a cast iron pan over medium heat, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter or oil to the pan. In this case, I prefer butter because once the butter browns, it makes for some very delicious shrimp. Once the pan has heated, we're going to work in batches. With this amount of shrimp, it's good to work in smaller amounts. So think 2 batches of shrimp. And once the pan is up to temperature, the butter is browned or the oil is hot, what we're going to do is add the shrimp and then cook them for 45 seconds to a minute per side, and then set them aside. Heat your tortillas in a different pan until they're pliable. Store in your tortilla basket as you prepare the rest of your tortillas. To assemble the taco, chop the shrimp into bite-sized pieces. Garnish with cilantro and onion. And give it a good drizzle of our lime crema. Enjoy. That was a really good taco.